Now the next type of sauce is not an emulsion, reduction, nor is it quite a puree. These types of sauces are what I like to call the fourth kind. Think salsa verde, relishes, and pestos. These sauces are pounded, mixed, or processed and don't really fall into the main three categories we discussed. However, nonetheless, they are extremely delicious and deserve their own category. The sauce today we'll be showcasing is the pesto. Home to the city of Genoa in Italy, this sauce is traditionally pounded in a mortar and pestle. The name pesto actually means pound in Italian, so it's quite fitting. However, in this video I won't be using a mortar and pestle, but instead a food processor. This may be sacrilegious in Italy, but when working with larger batches, I find this much more efficient. So without further ado, let's begin. Now first step is to roast some pine nuts, so we'll spread evenly on a flash pan tray and then drizzle with some olive oil, followed by a pinch of salt. We'll mix this thoroughly and roast for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, we'll let this fully cool. Now in a food processor, add 1 cup of fresh basil, 1 cup of parsley, and 1 cup of arugula. We'll add around 4 cloves of roasted garlic and then our pine nuts. We'll add some freshly cracked black pepper, followed by 1/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan. Lastly, we'll pour in 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. Place our lid on and begin to pulse. Once the ingredients come together, we can turn the processor on. Midway through, a good habit is to pause and scrape down the sides of the bowl, and this will ensure that everything is at the same consistency. I'll continue processing until I'm satisfied with the texture, and this right here looks good. I'll taste, then season. I'll process once more to incorporate the salt. Taste once again, and this needs a little more salt. Now it's important to add a small amount of salt at a time and continue to taste. You can always add more salt, but it's impossible to remove. And here's our pesto, bright green with a beautiful texture that's also rich and herbaceous. This pesto would pair perfectly with seafood, pasta, and pizza.